In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to open up Audacity, how to save a project file, and how to add, or also known as import, a audio file or files into a project. So here we go. I already have Audacity open here. I'm going to close it up and start from scratch. So we go ahead and open up Audacity by going to our Start menu. There's Audacity, or if it's not there, you can go to Programs, and it should be right there. And Audacity is now open, so we're going to go to File and Save Project As. And when we do that, you're going to have some options, of course, where to save it. Now, in our lab, we always want to save our projects in what's known as the V or video drive. We also have a Z drive, which is our primary drive we normally save to, but we want to save in the V drive, and the reason for that is the V or video drive has about 4 times the capacity as our Z drive access. So with larger files like video, audio in this case, or certainly video, there's a lot bigger files, we want to go ahead and save using the video drive. So we click on V for video, and you see I have a whole bunch of stuff in mine. Yours is probably going to be empty. In this case, I have already created an audio edit projects folder. If you don't have one, you can simply click this button up here to create a new folder, and you can name that audio projects or audio edit projects. So I'm going to delete that one since I've already created one. Double click on it, and you see I've got some other things here. Now, I've already created a sample mix project. I'm going to delete that, so I can just create it again, call it sample mix project. Click on save, and there's the sample mix project. Okay. Now, in order to import audio tracks, so because right now we have an empty project, you have 2 options. One is to go to File, Import, and Import Audio, and then you can just browse for your files. But the way I like to do it, I hit cancel here, I like to go down to my Windows Explorer option. So that brings up a similar screen, and I'm going to go to the royalty-free content drive that we have available here in our lab. I'm going to go to Music Royalty Free, and I have literally dozens of different genres or types of music to choose from. So I'm just going to click on this. I want MP3 options typically, and I'm just going to grab a few options here. Whoops. Oh, by the way, one thing worth noting, when you click on a file, it shows you the length of the file. There's 32 seconds, 1 minute and 3 seconds, 34 seconds, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and I'm going to drag and then let go of my mouse wheel, and you see it just dropped it right in there. So I can do that again. Let's get another short one. That's a little too short. There's 32 seconds. We'll drag that one in. And there's that. Okay. And we'll drag one more in as well. Let's drag this 33-second one in. And if I minimize this, if you scroll down, you see we have 1, 2, 3 tracks. And one of the neat things to notice here is we can customize the size or the height of these tracks. And when you move the mouse here, you get the double arrow. We go ahead and click and drag that back up, and we can resize that as big or as small as we want. So that way we can see all 3 tracks together. So that's how you import audio. Pretty simple procedure. And then, of course, you can use that as the basis to do your, as you set up, obviously your editing production is more involved, but that is essentially how you set up a new project.